So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find background intelligent transfer service. Double click on it. Change the startup type to automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running. So startup type automatic, service status running, and then click on OK. Now you're going to scroll down till you find cryptographic services. Do the same thing. Double click on it. Startup type automatic, service status running. Click on OK. And now you're going to click on W on your keyboard. You're going to scroll down till you find Windows Defender Firewall. Double click on it. Make sure you have the start type on automatic and service status running. Click on OK. Now you're going to scroll down. Do the same thing for Windows Update. Double click on it. Startup type automatic. Click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. You're going to find Windows Update. Click on run. Wait for this to load. You just want to wait for this to load. Once it's been fully completed, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.